Hello everyone, it's Carl from M26, and I'm here to show you a more step-by-step walkthrough given the links I've provided. For AI Studio, you literally hit Get Started. Then you just chat away. And if you're used to Perplexity, this also cites its sources, so I think you're good to go. But other than that, you could switch models here. I see they've just released an image generator, but my daily driver is 2.5 Pro just because of how smart it is. And I'll show you proof later, #evidence-based. But other than that, you could play around and it's all free. And like I said in my email, 2.5 Pro specifically doesn't train on your data, i.e. the messages you send here. So if you care about that, that's a win. Otherwise, we could hit stream, where you could share your screen. It's very surprisingly good because it doesn't take as long to reply, generate media, build text to apps, and if you want to work with API, you can just head to the dashboard. Speaking about APIs, you could also read more about what other inclusions there are apart from the $300 credits, because there's also Google Maps. So if you really want to bring your idea to life, you can use this here. Just hit console. And to show you how smart Gemini is, man, I wish Google was paying me to promote, but it's ranked 2 here out of a lot of models. It's just behind Claude Opus. Source LM Marina. Now on to the exciting stuff. Ollama, this is for local large language models. So if you want to get up to speed on research papers while you're on that flight across the world, you can simply hit download, which in my case, I'm a Mac user, and I'm using a base model M2 Air, so that's 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. So it's not the strongest computer, so I'm going to end up using Gemma 3 1 billion parameter. And the general rule of thumb here is the higher the parameter count, the smarter, quote unquote, a model is, but it also means that it consumes or it requires more computational power. So to show you how the download looks like, I did that for you. You just run here, type in Ollama, and then run Ollama run Gemma 3 1 billion, which you can just copy paste from here. And let's ask this model about Minerva. Boom. It's even formatted in Markdown. And if you want that familiar ChatGPT interface,